Changing your phone number on Skype is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information easily. Step 1. Sign into Skype. Open the Skype application or go to the Skype website and sign in with your account credentials. Step 2. Access your profile. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the profile option in the menu. Step 3. Edit your phone number. In your profile settings, look for the section labeled Phone Numbers or Contact Information. Click on the option to edit or add a phone number. Step 4. Enter your new phone number. Delete the old phone number if necessary and enter your new phone number. Make sure to select the correct country code from the drop-down menu. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, click on the Save or Update button to confirm the changes. You may receive a verification code via SMS to confirm the new number. Now your phone number on Skype is updated. If you encounter any issues, refer to Skype's help section for further assistance.